How to use Siser EasyColor DTV for Inkjet Printers Beginner's Guide. Step 1. If you are using an inkjet printer that loads from the back tray, load the Siser EasyColor DTV white side up. Step 2. If you are using an inkjet printer that loads from the bottom tray, load the Siser EasyColor DTV gray side up. Step 3. Open the Siser application, go to File on the top left side and select Import File. Step 4. Select the design you want to import and click Open. Step 5. In the Import Image window, select Print and Cut, then click Next. Step 6. Adjust the mask tolerance and click Next. Step 7. Click Next again, then click Finished once the design is to your liking. Step 8. On the right side of the screen, ensure that the Print and Cut job box is selected. Step 9. Adjust the mark spacing to bring the registration mark closer to the design. Step 10. Once done, click Send Design. Step 11. Click Send in the new pop-up prompt. Step 12. Load the Siser EasyColor DTV into the printer according to the printer type. Step 13. Make sure to turn off mirror, then click Send to Printer. Step 14. In the new print pop-up page, select your inkjet printer and click Print. Step 15. Wait for your printer to print out the design. Step 16. Place the printed design onto the Siser cutting mat and ensure that it sits in the lower left corner. Step 17. Load the mat into your cutter and position the cutter head using the directional key so that the blade is slightly to the right side of the registration mark. Step 18. Go back to the Siser software and select the cutting contours box. Step 19. On the right side of the screen, check the settings and click Send to Cutter. Step 20. Click Yes on the prompt to confirm the process. Step 21. The Siser cutter will start tracking the registration mark and will start cutting. Step 22. Unload the mat, peel off the EasyColor DTV from the mat and weed out the design. Step 23. Apply TTD Easy Mask to your design and burnish it using a squeegee tool. Step 24. Peel away the EasyColor carrier sheet from the design. Step 25. Grab the material you'll be pressing the design on and pre-press it for a few seconds to wick away moisture and wrinkles. Step 26. Place the design on the blank, cover it with a cover sheet and press it at 310 degrees for 15 seconds at medium pressure. Step 27. Peel away the easy mask and check how it turned out. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.